Hello viewers, today for unboxing we have the Sanyo CLT-9581 900 MHz digital spread spectrum cordless speakerphone with hands-free handset. I do believe this came out of Canada. The box has French and English on it. And those are, of course, open field or line of sight tests, which isn't super useful because nobody uses a cordless phone in a line of sight situation. At least not any distance from the handset anyways. Here's the features. You can pause the video and take a look at those if you so desire. I would love to know what was written on there that got crossed out. Probably a date or something, I don't know. For store use, oh, that's the barcode they're referring to. Alright, well, let's open this up and see what we have. Okay, here's the handset. Well, it's certainly not new. It's pretty heavily used, actually. Interestingly enough, the stickers are still there. Buttons have a decent quality feel to them. Except for the speakerphone button, doesn't have any feedback. Let's see what kind of a battery is in here. Oh good, a standard kind. Oh, what an awful plug design though. It's got a Sanyo battery in it. And the battery is, I believe it's the nickel cadmium chemistry. No idea if that works or not, but I think I should have one that'll fit in there. Where's the... well, I'll look for the batteries later. Now the base unit almost looks like it's new. I don't really see any wear on the base. It's not even dusty. Interesting. Here's the informations. We have a battery backup in here, I think. And it would take, it's like 3 AA batteries. I like that a lot better than having another battery like this in the base, because not everybody has these on hand. Most people have AA batteries on hand. Okay. Here's the instructions. I think it looks like they just printed this out. I don't think this is what would have come with it. At some point I'll scan this manual into the computer and I'll upload it. It's claiming 2 feet for speakerphone. here I think we'll have the power cord. And we also have the wall mounting bracket. Here's the power cord. It is the Sanyo. Blur. It is the Sanyo AD905. The 9 volts, 200 milliamps. Pretty standard output. Made in the Malaysia. Sanyo Fisher Company. Sanyo Canada Incorporated. Alright, so here it is. I thought this was supposed to be new. Obviously it's not new, it's used, but it's still in the good condition. And there's certainly advantages to it being used versus new, because now I don't feel bad about using it. Not that I feel bad about using things that are new, but you know, you have something that's new in a box for the last 25 years and you use it, and inevitably it gets kind of beat up as you use it, so that's kind of a shame. But if it's already has normal signs of wear, if it gets more normal signs of wear, then you know, whatever. So we'll go ahead and test this in the next video and see if it's any good.